Avocados, with their creamy texture and rich taste, are more than just a staple in global cuisines. They're nutritional powerhouses. Packed with vitamins K, E, C, B vitamins, and a whopping 13 grams of fiber, they're essential for healthy bones, cell protection, tissue repair, and feeling full longer. Plus, their antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin are your allies against chronic diseases and keep your eyes sharp. When it comes to your heart, avocados are true heroes. Their monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid, are champions at balancing cholesterol levels, crucial for cardiovascular health. Avocados are also rich in potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure, and their anti-inflammatory compounds, like phytosterols and polyphenols, protect against heart disease. Despite being calorie-dense, avocados are a weight loss ally. Their fats and fiber promote satiety and a steady metabolism, helping you manage portions and maintain stable blood sugar levels for effective weight control. Avocados are a digestive system's best friend, thanks to their high fiber content. They improve bowel movements, act as prebiotics for gut bacteria, and help your body absorb vital fat-soluble vitamins, ensuring a well-functioning digestive tract. Your eyes also benefit from avocados. Antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin protect against UV rays and reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration, keeping your vision clear and healthy. Avocados nourish and hydrate your skin from within. Their natural oils, anti-inflammatory properties, and vitamin E content fight dryness, reduce irritation, and offer anti-aging benefits for a youthful glow. Boost your immune system with avocados. Their vitamin C content supports white blood cell function, while their healthy fats enhance the absorption of other immune-boosting, fat-soluble vitamins. Avocados are incredibly versatile in the kitchen. From smoothies to salads, and even as a substitute for butter or mayo, avocados can transform your meals. Don't forget avocado oil, perfect for high-heat cooking and flavorful dressings. Get creative and let avocados elevate your culinary game.